A nurse manager is planning staffing for a rural health unit in a compliance with the Department of Health guidelines. According to the DOH standard, what is the recommended nurse to population ratio in the community? In the community po. Nurse to population ratio in the community according to the DOH standard professional ratio po. Okay. So always remember that the standard ratio of professionals to your population. Okay, so we have your DOH standard po tayo. DOH standard. Okay? Ratio. So kapag ikaw po ay isang registered midwife, one registered midwife is accountable to 5,000 population. Okay? So, kapag ikaw po ay merong 25,000 population at ikaw po ay meron ng isang midwife sa RHU, ilan pang kailangan natin? Kung 25,000 yung population sa isang community, tapos may one midwife na naka-assign sa RHU, ilan pa ang midwife na kailangan i-itemize? 4 pa. Very good kasi. 25,000 divided by 5,000 is what? 5 dapat. So since meron ng isang midwife na naka-assign sa RHU, so 4 na lang ang kailangan ng item for midwife. That is your computation of your professional. Okay, professional to population ratio. So 1 RM or registered midwife is to 5,000 population. Next, 1 registered nurse or public health nurse is equal to ilan na? 10,000 population. That is the new DOH standard ratio of nurse to population po. 10,000 population. Next, how about kapag ikaw po ay sanitary inspector? 1 sanitary inspector is equivalent to how many? Ilan po? 1 sanitary inspector is equivalent to 20,000 population naman. Yan, population. Then, kapag ikaw naman po ay isang physician or municipal health officer, 1 physician or municipal doctor or municipal health officer or doctor of medicine, so that's sure what? 20,000 population also. Okay? Pero sino ang may pinakamaraming kinikater or accountability? Dentist po. 1 dentist is equivalent to 50,000 population. So sila po yung may pinakamaraming kinikater na population sa ating community. 1 dentist is equivalent to 50,000 population. Okay? How about yung facilities naman? Facilities naman po tayo. 1 barangay health station is equivalent to how many population po? Ang isang barangay health station dapat kinikater po niya ang 20,000 population. Tandaan niyo yun. And, 5,000 population only. Again, for the facilities naman, 1 BHS will cater 5,000 population only. Then, kapag ito naman po ay RHU or Rural Health Unit, it will cater 20,000 population. Okay, baka itanong sa board exam kasi ito. Next, 1 BEMONG facility or the Basic Emergency Obstetric Newborn Care Facility should cater 125,000 population. Yan. Then next, 1 SEMONG facility naman should cater 500,000. Yan. 500,000 population. Again, 1 SEMONG facility should cater 500,000 population naman. That is for the facilities naman. How about your clinical setting naman? Clinical setting po. Okay, sa clinical setting natin, according to the DOH standard po, sa general wards, sa general wards po natin, 1 RN is equivalent to 12 patients po. That is the standard. Okay? DOH is standard po ito. The nurse to population ratio in the community is 1:10,000. Yan yung bago. The government and private hospitals are hereby mandated to maintain the standard nurse-patient ratio in general wards set by the Department of Health. Anong sagot natin? 1:12, 1:8, 1:10, or 1:6. Yung 1:10 kasi is nakaano pa lamang po yan. Nasa kongreso pa lamang po yan. House bill pa lang po ito. Hindi pa naman po siya approved. So, ang tamang sagot natin dito is 1:12. Yan. 1:12 po yung ating standard nurse-patient ratio in general wards like medical and surgical wards. Letter A.